Today I'm sharing an easy slow cooker dinner idea with you. This one is perfect for your busy schedule since it is very easy to prepare but still lets you make a tasty home cooked meal. Let's get started. In a slow cooker, add beef. I'm using 1¼ pounds, and salt to taste, 2 carrots cut into coins, 5 cloves of garlic chive, this is optional, half sliced onion, russet potato, just one tomato chopped, ground black pepper 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon. Mix it well. Add 2 cups of water or beef stock. Cover it and cook on low for 6 to 7 hours. No need to check your soup in between. I always cook high for the first 2 hours and on low for the next 3 hours. You can start this soup in the morning and by the time you get home it will be ready. An easy and healthy soup for your family. Thanks for joining. See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye.